Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video I will show you how you as a beginner can start to trade at Pocket Option. So let's get to it. But before I do that, make sure you sign up with a broker with the link that you find below the video. If you deposit more than $100, you get 50% extra on your first time deposit. If you have an account from before, make sure you close it down because of course you want this 50% extra. Then you of course withdraw your money, open with a new email, and you can put all the money in there and get your 50%. Now let's get to it. So let's push trade. I'll now show you a very easy and beginner friendly way of trading. Of course, as always before we start, let's just show you the easiest way you can trade now. Just push this AI button here, just make sure we have a good one. We do. Let's push IA, and there. Now we just need to wait 12 seconds, and let's see if we win that trade. If we don't, we take an extra one. Let's take a 250 then. Push again. Now if you want to go down, let's see how that will go. Let's see. Next trade to lose, we take a 550 trade. Let's see. So now we just need to wait more 15 seconds. Let's see if this turn into a winning trade for us. Actually, our win rate with this AI trading have been like 90%. Is that crazy? And there we won. There we made some money. So you see we made 230. So if you go to close it, you can see that will be 350. So if my calculation is correct, we made $130 profit from that trade. So that is pretty cool. Now I will show you a very easy way to trade. What you can do, start with RSI. Okay, we see here now a good way when this RSI cross the 50, that's a good sign. So other thing you can do, see here now, do you see here, if we close above here is a high probability we will break upwards, okay? Or if we close below here is a high probability we go downwards. So what you can do, just hold your mouse there. Do you see here? Do you see here where you are? It's a place where we are pushing up. We want to see if we break above that, because if we do, you see, as you have problem to break it, that means it's a highly possibility that if you take a trade right when we close above, that you win. Now as we're going downwards, let's see here now. Now I would like to take a trade on the retest up here if that happen. Okay, so now just wait. We need some patience, of course. We're not going to take a so big bid. Let's take just a $50 bid, just for a case of this video. So now we just wait for this one to close. It's more 30 seconds, as you can see. What we like now is that let's take a horizontal line here. We drag this one down here. So that means a very good area to take a trade would be when we come up to this green line. Then we just push the sell button, and with a very high probability of winning. So now let's see. Also when this one come down to 30, that could be a good entry. Let's see. If almost. Now we just wait. I almost take a trade here now. We are not there yet. Let's wait till we cross the 30, then we take a trade. Or a retest of this green line up here. Let's see. I still don't take a trade. We need to have some patience, of course, but this is a very simple way of trading. And if we lose, we're going to do the same like we did with another one. We just double up. We will eventually win. It's we are working with very highly possibilities. Okay, we see this was actually a good area. If I had zoomed out, I could have seen that this was actually a good area to trade. So let's make another line there. Let's make a horizontal line. So let's move that one. Let's see if we can do that. So now we have a trading zone. If you come down to this green, let's take it around there. If you come there, let me zoom out a little. Now let's see. I will take a sell trade up on this green line there. If you can move there, just for case of make it more nicer, let's change it for a red. Red for sell. Let's see if we can get up there. There, I mean, we got a good entry there. Do you see? Now we just need to wait for like 10 seconds. Let's see how this plays out for us. 5, 4, okay, 120, sell. And we take a 250 next. Should be okay. Now I think we'll, oh, it's a 5-minute trade we got now. That's nice. Okay, then we need to wait for 5 minutes. What I can talk about? Yeah, okay. I will below this video also put some information for so you can trade, not trade, trading sometimes can be difficult. So a good way to start to collect some cryptocurrency is by mining. So a cloud miner. So below the video I will I'll give a link for that. One I'm using myself. So if you are into that type of trading, make sure that you do that. Now I get impatient, so it will take a bigger trade if you come up to that level there. It will be a short 30-second close. Let's see here, I put it to 30 seconds. Let's see. Looks like we're going to win it, but I'm impatient. That's it. Yeah, so below the video you will find a link for that. I love passive income, and to be collecting a lot of power so you can be mining in the cloud is amazing. And not only that, but you start to prepare yourself for the next bull run. Yes, we of course we can't just play in this bull run. We need to always prepare for the future. Next bull run probably will be around 4 years from now. So it's a good way to get a good average value of Bitcoin, where you can just sell it in the next bull run. And trust me, you will have a lot of money by doing so, because next bull run will of course be much bigger than the one we are now. So probably like 500,000 or more value of Bitcoin in the next. So think if you start to collect a lot of Bitcoin by then, how rich you can be. So that a good way to do that is to start to collect with mining. The cool thing is that you can also get free Bitcoin with this mining. So check it out, the first link, and use of course my referral code, because you get some bonuses by doing so. So why not? Plus you help me a little also. I get a small kickback from everyone that are using my referral code, just to be transparent here. So now we see that we could even have done soon a buy trade down here, because it's testing again down here. I did a mistake, so this one did go too long, but at least we are winning it. We have 2 more minutes. I don't think that he will shoot up to this level by then. But yeah, the green line here now could be a good entry for a buy. Maybe you should, for fun, take a $100 trade if you come down to the green line, just as a bonus trade. Let's see. Now we wait. Only if I touch it. There. I'm in with a bonus trade. Let's see how the bonus trade will go. 50 on the bonus. There. Now let's see. Looks like we're going to win all. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We won the first bonus trade. Now let's see the second bonus trade. Yeah, we are winning that one also. There, and now we are waiting for the first trade. 47 seconds left, so let's see. So then let's see after how much money we made all in all. I'll bring up my good old calculator. So basically you see now how easy it is to make money with trading. If you want, I probably will turn on so you can copy my trades in the future. So you don't need to think about all these type of things. So if you want that, make sure you sign up with my link, and I will probably turn on so you can find me under social trading, so you can basically just automate your trading. Don't need to do nothing, just relax at the beach if that's what you want to do, and make money. So there, the trade kit go through, and we won that one also. So let's go to close it here now. Let's calculate this side first. So you take minus 350, we can say 400, 500, 6, 750, 850, 870. So minus 870. If I can write correct, minus 870. So that I said, yeah. Then let's plus up the side. 110. No, 230 minus 870 plus 230 plus 480 plus 192 plus 480 plus 192. Is that all? Wait, no, this is another day, so not this 192. Okay, we need to do everything again. For before they had so nice stats for this, now we need to do everything manually. Okay, so 480 plus 192 plus 480 plus 230. We made a profit of $512. Did I calculate this correct? 354, 5, 6, 750, 850. Yeah, so $512 profit. I think that is pretty nice. We started 1343. So in basically, I used a lot of time on these calculations. Let's say in 10 minutes I made $512. So if you think that is quite cool, and if you want to copy what I'm doing, well, sign up with the first link that you find below the video, and let's make some money together. Have an amazing day.